Kidz. English conversation asks for directions on the road. Excuse me, can you help me, please? Of course, what do you need? I'm looking for the city library. I think I'm lost. Oh, no problem. You're not too far from it. Do you see that big supermarket on the corner? Yes, I see it. Great. Walk straight past the supermarket, then take the second left. The library will be on your right side next to the park. Okay, walk past the supermarket, then second left, and it's next to the park. Exactly. It's a big white building with glass doors. You can't miss it. Thank you so much. I'm new in this city, so everything feels confusing. No worries, we've all been there. Do you need help finding anything else? No, that's all for now. You've been very kind. Anytime. Have a great day at the library. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Now, try repeating these sentences for practice. Great job. Well done.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell.